Look at that plump bird right there. That's a mighty fine bird if I ever seen one. Hey bird, do you know that you're nice and juicy? Those look quite cute to eat. And I know one of your pals. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, there it goes. Bird, come back here. Dang bird. Actually, starting to feel bad for the poor fella. So, yep, here's my old house. I'm actually now able to show you the address since I don't live here anymore. 705. Yep, that used to be my old house. But now I live in Ashton, so yep. What the heck is that though? For real though. Is that like bird crap? Did a bird take a dump on here? Bird! Big chubby bird, was that you? Was that the chubster, also known as the bird? I bet it was the chubby bird. I'm scratching it. Yep, 705. My old house. I really do miss this place. If anyone want to buy this house, then you're free too. You're free to ask. Well, that's all for this video, everyone. Bye. I swear, this house really does bring back some old memories of mine.